Answer 101. Automated underwriting system. Question 102. What does SAFE Act stand for? Answer 102. Secure and Fair Enforcement Act. Question 103. What does HERA stand for? HERA. Answer 103. Housing and Economic Recovery Act. Question 104. What does HPA stand for? HPA. Answer 104. Homeowners Protection Act. Question 105. What does GLBA stand for? GLBA. Answer 105. Graham-Leach-Bliley Act. Comma. Question 106. What type of property is covered under RESPA? RESPA. Answer 106. 1-4-unit residential property. 1-4. Question 107. Which regulation allows lenders to obtain information regarding a borrower's ethnicity, to help identify possible discriminatory patterns? Answer 107. HMDA, Regulation C. HMDA, C. Question 108. When can a borrower request cancellation of PMI? PMI. Answer 108. When LTV reaches 80%. LTV 80%. Question 109. When must the lender automatically cancel PMI? PMI. Answer 109. When the LTV reaches 78%. LTV 78%. Question 110. What is the primary market? Answer 110. Where borrowers consumers obtain mortgage loans. Question 111. What is the secondary market? Answer 111. Where lenders buy and sell loans from one another. Question 112. Name the two government-sponsored enterprises, CSEs. CSE. Answer 112, Fannie Mae Freddie Mac. Question 113. Which CSE is the Federal National Mortgage Association? CSE. Answer 113, Fannie Mae. Question 114. Which CSE is the Government National Mortgage Association? CSE. Answer 114. Ginnie Mae. Question 115. Which CSE is the Federal Home Loan Mortgage Association? CSE. Answer 115, Freddie Mac. Question 116. Which AUS system does Fannie Mae use? ORS. Answer 116, Desktop Underwriter Do. Question 117. Which AUS system does Freddie Mac use? Freddie Mac AUS. Answer 117, Loan Prospector, LP. Question 118. How often must the national DNC list be updated? DNC. Answer 118, every 90 days. Question 119. How often must a lender's internal DNC list be updated? DNC. Answer 119, every 30 days. Question 120. What is the penalty for violating the DNC list? DNC. Answer 120, $40,000. Question 121. Which regulation allows the borrower to sue for 3x the amount paid for title insurance? 3. Answer 121, RESPA Section 9. RESPA 9. Question 122. If money was collected, and a borrower rescinds, how long does escrow have to return the funds? Answer 122. 20 days. Question 123. What is the only way to ask about marital status, according to what law? Answer 123. Are you married, unmarried or separated according to Regulation B, ECOA? B, ECOA. Question 124. How long does a creditor have to make a decision on a credit application? Answer 124. 30 days. Question 125. Which regulation require that a creditor to make a decision regarding a credit application within 30 days? 30. Answer 125. ECOA, Reg BB. Question 126. What law requires that the Equal Housing Lender slogan and/or logo be placed on all advertising? Answer 126. Fair Housing Act. Question 127. How long does a person have to sue for a violation under the Fair Housing Act? Answer 127. 1 year. Question 128. Which law says that the lender cannot inquire about a person's sexual orientation or gender identity? Answer 128. HUD Equal Access Rule. HUD. Question 129. What is the site where you can receive a free copy of your credit report, according to the FACT Act? FACT. Answer 129. www.annualcreditreport.com. Question 130. Which regulations require that MLOs to shred or burn a client's sensitive credit information when no longer needed? MLO. Answer 130. FACT ACT. Question 131. What regulation is designed to protect consumers' non-public information and how it can and cannot be shared? Answer 131. GLBA. Question 132. Which law requires lenders to verify the date of birth, SS and ethnicity of a person getting a loan in the United States? SS. Answer 132. U.S. Patriot Act. Question 133. If you fail the test 3 times, what is the waiting period to retest? 3. Answer 133. 6 months/180 days. Question 134. Under HMDA, how long must a lender keep the loan application register, LA? HMDA, LA. Answer 134. 3 years. Question 135. What day does your license expire each year? Answer 135. The 31st of December. Question 136. What is the renewal period to keep your license current? Answer 136. The 1st of November, the 31st of December. Question 137. Which act includes provisions to protect consumers' personal financial information held by financial institutions? Answer 137. Gramm-Leach-Bliley. Question 138. Which act requires companies to give consumers privacy notices? Answer 138. Gramm-Leach-Bliley. Question 139. Which act was implemented to promote financial stability and to protect consumers from abusive practices? Answer 139. Dodd-Frank Act. Question 140. What is RESPA Section 6 responsible for? RESPA 6. Answer 140. Mortgage servicing. Question 141. What is RESPA Section 8 responsible for? RESPA 8. Answer 141. Kickbacks, fee splitting and unearned fees. Question 142. What is RESPA Section 9 responsible for? RESPA 9. Answer 142. Title insurance. Question 143. What is RESPA Section 10 responsible for? RESPA 10. Answer 143. Escrow accounts. Question 144. What is the max mortgage term, length, allowed for a mortgage to be classified as a qualified mortgage? Answer 144. 30 years. Question 145. Until the loan estimate has been delivered, what fee can the MLO charge? MLO. Answer 145. Credit report. Question 146. Estimate of charges and terms for settlement services must be available for at least business days from the time the loan estimate is provided. Answer 146. 10. Question 147. If a new loan estimate is required because of a changed circumstance, it must be disclosed and received by the borrower days prior to consummation of the loan. Answer 147. 4. Question 148. How long are closing disclosures kept by the creditor? Answer 148. 5 years. Question 149. Tyler applies to transactions that are payable by, of installments. Tyler. Answer 149. More than 4. Question 150. What does ECOA stand for? ECOA. Answer 150. Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Question 151. The loan estimate must be retained for how long? Answer 151. 3 years. Question 152. What does HMDA stand for? HMDA. Answer 152. Home Mortgage Disclosure Act. Question 153. What does November stand for? November. Answer 153. Notice of Value. Question 154. What does CRV stand for? CRV. Answer 154. Certificate of Reasonable Value. Question 155. What does the R stand for in the acronym NMLSR? NMLSRR. Answer 155. Registry. Question 156. What is a mortgage call report? MCR. MCR. Answer 156. Quarterly report required by MLO company and mortgage brokers. MLO. Question 157. Loan originator organizations must keep compensation records for how many years? Answer 157. 3 years. Question 158. Mortgage companies must submit a residential loan origination activity report to the NMLSR every NMLSR. Answer 158. 3 months. Question 159. What is the process in which a broker originates and closes a loan in his/her own name, then transfers the loan to a lender at closing? Answer 159. Table funding. Question 160. What law protects homeowners from foreclosure prevention scams? Answer 160. Mortgage Assistance Relief Services Rule.